Hello, and welcome to Amazon Kendra. Kendra is an intelligent search service powered by machine learning, designed to help you find answers quickly from vast amounts of data, transforming how you access information. Kendra uses advanced natural language processing to understand complex queries, delivering precise results from documents, FAQs, or databases. It supports multiple data sources, including Amazon S3, SharePoint, Salesforce, and even custom connectors. What sets Kendra apart is its ability to learn from user interactions, continuously improving search accuracy. It also offers features like query suggestions and facet search, making it intuitive for all users. Imagine a customer support team handling inquiries. Kendra searches manuals, wikis, and ticketing systems, pulling answers instantly to reduce response times. Or, a research firm queries thousands of reports, uncovering insights in seconds. Developers can embed Kendra into apps or websites using its API, creating seamless search experiences. For enterprises, Kendra ensures secure access with IAM integration, protecting sensitive data. Why choose Kendra? It's smart, scalable, and eliminates time-consuming manual searches. From startups to global corporations, it unlocks knowledge effortlessly. Kendra's pay-as-you-go pricing means you only pay for what you use, with no upfront costs. It also supports custom vocabularies, so industries like healthcare or finance can tailor searches to specific terms. Ready to revolutionize how you find information? Explore Amazon Kendra on the AWS console today, and make your data work smarter. With Kendra, answers are just a search away, empowering your team to focus on what matters. Thanks for joining me. Let's search intelligently with Amazon Kendra.